Chosen one, I need your full attention right now because what I'm about to share isn't just information or something you casually listen to. This message is meant for you. February 2nd, 2026 is getting closer, and if you've been feeling a shift, sensing that something important is building, or noticing strange signs and meaningful coincidences around you, you're not imagining it. Your intuition is picking up on something real. The 2-2 portal is one of the most powerful energetic moments of the year, and you're being invited to move through it with awareness, purpose, and openness to change. This isn't just another date. It's a rare alignment, a spiritual doorway, a sacred moment the universe has been preparing. When the number 2 is doubled on the second day of the second month, it creates a unique spiritual and energetic convergence that supports rapid manifestation, deep healing, and a lasting shift in your frequency. This energy doesn't simply influence your life. It reshapes it, realigns it, and tunes you into the highest version of your path. To truly benefit from this portal, it helps to understand what's happening beneath the surface. In spiritual numerology, the number 2 represents balance, harmony, cooperation, and divine feminine energy. It speaks of union, connection, and the meeting of opposites to create something greater. It's the bridge between the spiritual and the physical, between who you are as a human and who you are at a soul level. It reflects the inner union of masculine and feminine energies within you. When this number appears as 2 halves, the energy doesn't just add up, it multiplies. It's like being brought into perfect resonance with balance and alignment. When you match that frequency, the areas of your life that have felt off begin to correct themselves naturally. Relationships settle into healthier dynamics. Work and rest find a better rhythm. Giving and receiving start to feel equal. Inner tension fades as different parts of you finally work together instead of pulling in opposite directions. There's something important you need to hear. You didn't come across this message by accident. You were led here. Your higher self, your guides, the universe itself arranged the path that brought you to these words. You're here because you're ready. Ready for the shift, ready for the upgrade, ready to receive what's been building toward you. You've already done a great deal of inner work. You've healed, released, and grown enough to be able to hold what's coming next. Before going deeper, there's a simple but powerful step you can take to activate this energy in your own life and show the universe that you're choosing to participate consciously in your transformation. Take a moment to write 222 and clearly state your strongest intention. What does your soul truly want right now? What change are you ready to experience? What blessing are you open to receiving? Writing it down and naming it matters. This isn't just interaction, it's manifestation in motion. And if you haven't joined this space yet, now is the time. This is a collective of aware souls who understand that the universe responds to intention, that energetic portals are real, and that when people align together, their power multiplies. We're not just consuming spiritual messages, we're co-creating our reality. Now pause for a moment. Take a slow breath. Bring your awareness into your body. Feel the ground beneath you, notice your breath moving in and out, allow yourself to be fully present. We're about to step through this portal together and explore what the universe has been preparing for you. The energy leading up to February 2nd has already been influencing you, even if you haven't fully noticed it yet. You may have felt more tired than usual or sensed a stronger need for rest as your system begins adjusting to what's unfolding. Your physical body is adjusting as higher frequencies begin moving into your energy field. You may be feeling this as emotional intensity, old emotions rising to the surface, unexpected tears, or sudden waves of joy or sadness that seem to appear without a clear reason. Your dreams might feel more vivid than usual, you may be noticing repeating numbers everywhere, or experiencing déjà vu more often. None of this is random, and it doesn't mean something is wrong with you. This is your whole system, your body, emotions, mind, and spirit, slowly tuning itself to the frequency of the portal. Your energy field is recalibrating in preparation for the activations and upgrades that are approaching. Your awareness is expanding so you can hold more light, more clarity, and more possibility than before. Even when this phase feels confusing or uncomfortable, it is meaningful and sacred. When we talk about the master number 2 appearing twice, we're stepping into a form of spiritual mathematics that most people are never taught. In numerology, 2 is already deeply spiritual, connected to intuition, sensitivity, cooperation, and the divine feminine. It represents the peacemaker, the one who understands both sides and brings them together into harmony. But when 2 appears as 2/2, the effect goes far beyond simple doubling. The energy multiplies and creates a powerful resonance that influences everything it touches. Imagine lighting one candle in a room, then lighting a second one in just the right place. The light doesn't just increase, it changes the entire atmosphere, creating depth, movement, and new patterns. That's what the 2/2 portal does. It isn't just stronger than an ordinary day, it has the power to transform reality, shift timelines, and open new paths. This heightened energy flows straight into your ability to manifest. This is where the real magic becomes practical. On February 2nd and in the days around it, the distance between a thought and its physical expression shrinks significantly. Intentions set during this time carry far more creative force than usual. Emotions become stronger magnets in the quantum field, and actions send larger ripples through the web that connects everything. This is exciting and empowering, but it also calls for awareness and responsibility. The portal doesn't judge or filter. It amplifies whatever frequency you are holding. If you spend this day in gratitude, love, trust, and abundance, those states are intensified and reflected back as matching experiences. If you spend it in fear, lack, resentment, or doubt, those energies also grow stronger and draw in similar outcomes. That's why preparation matters. You can't wait until February 2nd to suddenly become mindful of your inner world. The work begins now, in this moment, by paying attention to your dominant thoughts and emotions. What story are you repeating about your life? What do you believe about your value and your potential? What emotional state do you live in most of the time, hope or fear, trust or anxiety, abundance or scarcity? These aren't just thoughts or moods. They are creative signals, and the portal will magnify them. So begin shifting them now. Choose thoughts that support the future you want. Practice emotions that match the life you're calling in. Speak affirmations that train your subconscious for growth, success, and alignment rather than struggle. Balance is at the heart of what this portal both offers and asks of you. Just look at the number 2. Its shape reflects symmetry, harmony, and stability. Now look at 2/2. Balance reflected back on itself, balance emphasized, balance made impossible to ignore. Through this pattern, the universe is delivering a clear message. It's time to bring equilibrium back into every part of your life. Where have you been living at the extremes? Too much effort and not enough rest, too much giving and not enough receiving. All effort with no rest, or all rest with no movement. All masculine energy focused on pushing, controlling, and forcing outcomes, with no room for feminine flow, trust, and receptivity. Or the opposite, staying only in feminine energy, waiting, hoping, and staying passive without bringing in masculine initiative, direction, and decisive action. The portal recognizes these imbalances instantly, and it doesn't come to punish you or teach lessons through struggle. It comes to gently and consistently bring things back into alignment. In the days and weeks ahead, you may notice situations that were out of balance beginning to shift on their own. A relationship where you've been carrying all the emotional weight may either become more mutual or come to an end, opening space for connections that truly honor reciprocity. A work situation where you've been stretching yourself too thin may improve through healthier boundaries, or new opportunities may appear that don't demand you sacrifice your well-being. Friendships that have been one-sided may naturally rebalance or fade away. This isn't about losing anything. It's about alignment. It's about your life reorganizing itself around truth, sustainability, and real harmony instead of being held together by exhaustion and tolerance for what no longer works. Trust this rebalancing process, even when it feels uncomfortable. Even when it requires releasing people, situations, or versions of yourself that you've held onto for a long time. The universe is clearing what no longer serves you so there's room for what truly does. Now let's go deeper into partnerships, because this is where some of the strongest magic of the portal shows up. When we talk about partnerships through the lens of the Two Halves portal, we're really talking about three essential areas, all of them necessary for your wholeness and growth. The first is your partnership with yourself. This is the relationship between you and you. Between your conscious awareness and your subconscious patterns, between your human identity and your divine essence. Everything else in your life is built on this foundation. The way you treat yourself shapes the way others treat you. The way you speak to yourself in private becomes the standard for what you allow from the outside world. How you care for yourself when no one is watching determines what you accept or reject in your relationships and experiences. The Two Halves portal invites you to look at this inner relationship with honesty and compassion. Are you supportive toward yourself or constantly critical? Do you encourage yourself through challenges or punish yourself for not being flawless? Are your choices aligned with your values, or is there a painful gap between what you believe and how you live? Are your mind and heart working together, or are they locked in constant conflict, pulling you in opposite directions? This portal creates powerful conditions for inner unity. Decisions begin to feel clearer because logic and intuition finally work together instead of fighting each other. You feel more whole, more integrated, less scattered across conflicting desires and identities. The inner tension that's drained you for years starts to fade as all parts of you align around a shared vision of who you're becoming and what you're here to create. The second area is your partnerships with others, including romantic relationships, friendships, family bonds, professional collaborations, and soul-level connections of every kind. The Two Halves portal strongly activates these relational spaces, especially those with karmic or spiritual significance. If you've been asking the universe for your person, calling in your soul family, or longing for deep, authentic, mutual connections, this portal responds directly to those intentions. Soul contracts that have been waiting for the right timing begin to activate now. You may meet someone new who feels instantly familiar. As if you've known them beyond this lifetime. You may reconnect with someone from your past and experience the relationship in a completely new way. You may suddenly understand the deeper spiritual purpose of a connection that's been in your life for years without you fully realizing why. For those already in partnerships, this energy can deepen intimacy, dissolve old patterns that kept you repeating the same conflicts, and guide you into a greater level of understanding, balance, and connection. For those who are seeking partnership, this portal is gently preparing you to receive it by adjusting your energy to match the kind of love you're calling into your life. You're being elevated so you can meet that relationship as an equal energetic match, aligned with what your soul truly wants rather than what your past was conditioned to accept. The third and equally important partnership is your relationship with the divine itself, your conscious cooperation with the universe, your higher self, and the unseen forces guiding your path. This is co-creation at its most sacred. When you align your personal will with divine will, when you offer your effort and allow the universe to contribute its limitless support, what once felt like miracles starts to feel natural. Opportunities open that you could never have forced. Meaningful coincidences appear without effort. Support, resources, and people arrive exactly when you need them, often from places you never expected. The Two Halves portal dramatically strengthens this divine partnership, teaching you that you were never meant to do everything alone. You're learning that surrender is not weakness but profound strength, and that asking the universe for support isn't doubt, it's the purest form of trust. Now it's important to understand the mirror energy of this portal, because this is where deep self-awareness is awakened. The number 2 is naturally reflective, like two mirrors facing each other. On February 2nd, this reflective quality becomes especially strong, bringing powerful opportunities for growth. Your outer world is reflecting your inner world with remarkable accuracy. The people around you mirror parts of yourself, sometimes the qualities you cherish, and sometimes the ones you've avoided or rejected. The situations that keep repeating are reflections of your deepest beliefs and expectations. Patterns that seem stuck are showing you exactly where your awareness has been looping without resolution. The Two Halves portal amplifies this mirror effect so clearly that it becomes impossible to ignore what was previously hidden. This can feel uncomfortable, because mirrors reveal truth without filters, and truth doesn't always match the story we tell ourselves. You may suddenly notice self-sabotaging behaviors you hadn't recognized before. You may realize you've been unconsciously creating circumstances you've been blaming on the outside world. You may see that challenges you thought were external actually began within you. But this mirror also reflects your growth. When you look honestly, you'll see proof of how far you've come, how much healing you've done, and how strong you've become. Situations that once overwhelmed you no longer have the same power. Patterns you've been working to change are genuinely shifting. The mirror reveals both what still needs care and what has already transformed. Most importantly, whatever energy you project during this portal returns to you amplified. When you lead with love, love comes back multiplied. When you choose gratitude, blessings expand. When you trust, the universe repeatedly proves itself trustworthy. At the same time, fear, resentment, and scarcity will also be reflected back if that's what's being broadcast. This isn't punishment, it's simply the neutral way energy responds. That's why intention matters so deeply now. Be mindful of your thoughts, deliberate with your focus. And cultivate emotions that match the life you want to create, because everything is being magnified. The February 2nd portal brings you to a pivotal moment of choice, and that choice determines which timeline you step into next. Every powerful portal requires a decision because free will is always honored. The doorway is open, but you must choose to walk through it. The choice is between repeating old patterns or embracing new possibilities. You can stay with what's familiar and predictable, even if it's limiting, or you can step into the unknown, which carries uncertainty but also the potential for real joy, growth, and fulfillment. Old patterns feel safe because they're known, even when they cause pain. They don't demand courage, but they guarantee the same results. New possibilities require faith, but they're where transformation happens, where dreams take form, and where your soul's purpose unfolds. This portal supports brave decisions. When you choose expansion over comfort and faith over fear, the universe responds with support, alignment, and perfectly timed assistance. But it waits for your clear choice. You can ask, what if I fail, or you can ask, what if this is exactly what leads to my greatest success? The energy you choose from determines what you create. This is your moment. Choose with awareness. Choose with courage. Choose the version of yourself you're being invited to become. To fully activate this portal's gifts, set clear and specific intentions now. Write them down in detail so there's no confusion about what you're calling in and what you're releasing. Clarity matters because the universe responds to precision. Speak affirmations out loud with feeling and conviction, because your voice carries creative power. On February 2nd, take at least one aligned action before the day ends to show the universe you're actively participating, not just waiting. This portal supports lasting change. You're anchoring a new timeline. Old versions of you are dissolving as your future self begins merging with your present reality. Once you settle into this new frequency, returning to the old way of being becomes nearly impossible because you've fundamentally changed. You've already stepped into the portal. There's no returning to who you were before encountering this message. Trust what unfolds in the days and weeks ahead, even if you can't yet see how everything is rearranging behind the scenes. Your life is realigning in ways that will soon become undeniable. Say this with full conviction: I walk through this portal aligned, balanced, and ready to receive what is meant for me. I release what no longer serves me. I welcome my highest good. I trust divine timing completely. And so it is. Write 222 along with your intention to seal this activation into your energy field. Welcome to your elevated timeline. Your transformation is already in motion.